on improving your career. Okay, so despite all the odds, let's get down to business and see kung ano yung pwede natin matutunan so we can improve our careers. Okay, so any questions before we proceed with the initial lessons? Okay, kung meron kayong questions, again, just kindly send me a private message. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. Right, so before we start with the actual lecture, I want to remind you about this forgetting curve. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na forgetting curve. Ano tong forgetting curve? Right? This forgetting curve is a theory um, formulated by the German psychologist na si Hermann Ebbinghaus noong 1885. Sabi niya, you lose most of your newly acquired knowledge. Halimbawa, today, you're going to have a new knowledge about something. After 2 days, makakalimutan nyo na lahat at an exponential rate. Okay? So, kung ano man yung pag-uusapan natin today, o sabi niya, after 2 days, as you can see, after ng klase natin, naalala nyo lahat, no? Yung sinabi ko. Bukas, 80% na lang ang maaalala nyo. Okay? Yun ang normal na takbo ng brain ng human beings. Then, after 3 days, it will exponentially go down to 40%. Therefore, after 2 days, okay? After 2 days, wala na. Nakalimutan nyo na lahat ng mga pag-uusapan natin today. So, anong gagawin natin? No? That's the normal brain. Hindi ko naman sinasabing abnormal yun. That's the natural part of the brain. So, anong nakaka-apekto niyan? The first one is the strength of your memory. Kung malakas ang memory ninyo, maalala nyo. Kung hindi, magda-drastically fall down to 40% after 2 days. At saka sabi ko nga, after the days goes by, hindi nyo na maalala. Parang tatanungin ko kayo ngayon, anong ulam nyo last week ng Lunes? Baka hindi nyo na maalala. Kasi that's how the brain works. So, anong gagawin natin para maalala nyo yung mga lessons? Una, communicate. Okay, makipag-usap kayo sa classmate, makipag-usap kayo sa akin, so we can talk about the things that bothers you or you don't understand. Okay, pangalawa, continuously review, reinforce regularly. Basahin niyo ulit yung lesson. After natin mag-klase today, in the night, bago kayo matulog, basa ulit kasi makakalimutan niyo yan bukas. Okay? So magre-reinforce at saka gawa kayo ng mga flashcards or panoorin niyo yung video kasi naka-record naman itong lectures natin. Okay? Para maalala niyo yung tawag na reinforcement. Kasi doon may visual. Makikita niyo yung mga PowerPoint presentation, yan, maaalala niyo ng madalas. Relevance. Tignan niyo kung gaano ba ito ka-importante sa buhay ko, bakit ko kailangang aralin to. Okay? So pag ginawa niyo yon, it will create a more impact on your memory. Okay? So dapat may purpose. Bakit kayo nag-enroll? So it will become relevant to you. So madali niyong maaalala. Or you can just simply use it on case examples. Or paano ko ito ma-apply sa aking workplace? Okay? So ganyan, madali niyo siyang maalala. So yan ang paraan para natin makombat ang forgetting curve. Okay? So hopefully bukas, 80% pa rin ang mariretain ninyo. So, nagbigay ako ng instruction sa group chat to join the Slack group through a link. Clinic nyo ba yon? Kasi ang nakita ko pa lang is si Princess tsaka si Lloyd. Sila pa lang yun nandun sa Slack. Asa na yung iba? Sinend ko yung link sa group chat. Please join that one. You can log in through your Gmail para hindi mahirap. You can just log in through your Gmail account kung ano yung nakalagin na account ninyo dyan sa phone ninyo or doon sa laptop ninyo, automatic na yan siya magdi-detect. Okay? Miss Natalie, ang topic natin ay naandun lahat sa portal. Ang binibigay ko ngayon is introduction. Then we'll go to the first topic. I'll give you the guide. Don't worry, okay? So, unahin muna natin yung Slack. Kasi doon kayo magsasubmit ng mga work ninyo. Okay? So, pag meron tayong aaralin na platform, isasubmit nyo dyan yung mga evidence and proof of your work. Okay? So, dyan ninyo isasubmit. So, automatic yan, gagawa siya ng chat. Create a channel for you and a chat for you and me to see. Tapos meron din isang group. This is the one you're seeing right now on the screen. Ito yung lahat tayo nakikita natin yan. So as of the moment, there are only 3 people. Only Lloyd, Princess, and me. Kasi hindi pa kayo nag-join, hindi pa click yung link sa Slack. Later on, makikita ko na kayo dyan. Okay? So, I'll be giving you a guide later kung anong gagawin ninyo dito sa Slack so you can maneuver at the same time. You can explore and use the platform. So, I'll be giving you a guide. So, don't worry. Isa-isa lang tayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? And also, makikita nyo yung aking message doon sa portal. Kung nagpunta na kayo sa ating portal, nandun din yung PDF file ng guide. Yung gagawin natin for the Slack platform. Okay, so yan din. Okay, andyan, makikita nyo sa portal. Naka-PDF file yan, pwede nyo siya i-download. Okay? So, importante na naka-login kayo sa portal. Okay? Right. So, pag binuksan nyo yan, ito makikita ninyo. So, there will be a step-by-step guidelines on how to do it and I will guide you all throughout. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? So, kung sana nandito kayo, so at least individually ko kayo makikita yung screen ninyo, I can help you out. But since bumagsak din sa online yung face-to-face natin, wala tayong magagawa but to do it online as well. Okay? So, again, kailangan nakasave na yung inyong mga links for attendance at saka sa Slack. I-bookmark nyo na yan sa inyong mga laptop para every time you go to submit your work, nandyan na siya sa bookmark ng inyong browser. Okay? Tsaka i-download nyo lahat ng mga guides para if ever wala kayo internet or hindi gumagana internet or may technical issue sa website, meron na kayong downloaded copy. So please download all the guide na binigay ko sa portal. Okay? So, do you have any questions so far bago tayo mag-start? So, bago tayo
Yeah,
yes,
ma'am,
yes,
yeah.
Miss Maria.
Sa Slack po kasi, meron kasing confirmation, kaya lang lagi siyang, pag nilalagin ko, hindi siya valid. Invalid lagi lumalabas.
Yung number is na pupunta sa email mo, right? Okay, i-copy paste mo yan. Copy and paste mo doon sa Slack kasi pag
Pag
okay, exact.
tinatype po, hindi.
Oo, mas okay pag copy paste.
Pag copy-paste po. Okay,
Yes,
copy-paste
better
ko
pag
na lang po.
yes, yes. Any other issues? So while you're doing that, I will check your attendance, ha? Titignan ko kung nakapag-attendance na lahat kasi strictly we don't want to start the class kung hindi pa kayo naka-attendance dahil first and foremost, yung certificate niyo ay hindi magpiprint, ayaw i-print ng system pag hindi na-meet yung required minimum attendance. Kailangan meron kayong 13 attendance dyan na minimum. That is not inclusive of your OJT, yung 4th month ng class ninyo. So, kailangan meron kayo dyan minimum na 13 attendance. So, every time na nagpo-portal kayo, magla-login din kayo sa portal attendance. So, pag nag-attendance kayo, ang clinic ninyo is classroom attendance, right? So, pag nagpo-portal attendance kayo, magkiklik din kayo ulit, mag-login din kayo ulit and choose portal attendance. So, ngayon, nag-Zoom tayo ngayon, so you have to choose Zoom class attendance. Okay? I hope that's clear na. Sige, check ko lang muna attendance niyo para makita ko kung sino yung hindi pa naka-attendance. Okay, we are all. Eto na si Janine, Eileen, Princess Natalia, Lloyd, Maria, and Gladys. Si Sakur hindi pa nag-attendance. Sakur, are you okay, dear? Sinend ko sa group chat yung attendance link. Okay? So, click on that, please. Ha? I-resend ko din sa'yo yung link para at least no excuses. Ha? Kaya mo yan, Sakur. Okay? I can guide you again later if you need more assistance. Okay?
Ayaw din po, ma'am. Mamaya na lang po, i-ano ko siya.
Anong gamit mo, dear, na ano? Anong gamit mo na nag-login sa Slack? Phone or laptop?
Laptop po. Opo.
Okay. So, ginamit mo yung Gmail mo, right? If you want, you can share your screen right now para mag-guide kita.
Walang internet.
So, andito na rin si Janine sa Slack. Yung iba, hindi ko alam bakit hindi pa nakakapasok. Sige, antayin muna natin because it's very important to be here. Dito nyo i-upload yung mga, dito nyo isasubmit yung mga work ninyo. Please try to log in. Miss Maria, you can share your screen so I can guide you. Kasi baka matambakan tayo, hindi pa kayo nakapunta sa Slack, tapos nandito na naman tayo sa isa pang platform. Mahirap. So, you have to make sure na nandun mo. Miss Dina, nakalagin ka na ba sa Slack? Parang naglalag si Miss Dina. Naka-add lang kasi Miss Dina sa group chat.